Hello, James Wooldridge here from the Fleet Safety Academy in York with another fleet risk management nugget for you. I hope you can take these pieces of risk management best practice advice and use them to keep your vehicles and your drivers in one piece. I've already spoken about setting your policies and procedures as the first step in the Fleet Safety Academy 7-step program for preventing vehicle collisions. We've also covered the second step, which involves developing a robust driver recruitment process. The third step is effective collision management, and that means collecting the necessary data at the scene of the collision and capturing the third-party details. It also includes effective investigation of the collision. Now, I've given more detail in the early reporting of collisions process in a previous video, but what you need to do is introduce a process that aims to gather the contact details of the third party involved in a collision and make contact with them within 2 hours. If this process doesn't work smoothly, control over the ensuing claim will be lost, as a credit hire company will more than likely get involved. Why not make it easier for your driver and give them a reporting pack for the glove box? It can include a flowchart on actions to take, a scene of accident information exchange form, a document to allow a plan and layout of the road to be sketched, and guidance on what photographs to take. Giving an employee training on the actions to follow at the scene of a collision is also a really good idea. And when it comes to investigating a collision, your managers should be provided with training too. Completing an insurance company claim form doesn't really constitute an appropriate investigation. What if the collision damage doesn't merit making a claim? It doesn't mean to say that you can't investigate the collision anyway. In fact, the more robust your stance on investigation, the bigger the impact you'll make on the culture of your drivers and the fewer collisions they'll have. You need to find out what was making your employee tick in the days before the collision. Were they stressed? Were they fatigued? Were they feeling under pressure to get to their destination? That way, you'll start to find the real root cause of the collision. The investigation requires preparation. Your manager should be planning the questions they ask your driver once they've pulled together as much detail about the incident as they can. Following the investigation, there needs to be a debrief and production of an action plan to improve the driving performance of the individual concerned. Many fleet operators need to make their collision management procedures more robust if they're going to see improvements in collision frequency and reductions in claims cost. If you need more help on your collision management procedures, find out more at fleetsafetyacademy.co.uk. Thank you.